In 1996, Dr. Susan Abu-Absi was valedictorian of her graduating class in the College of Engineering. In 2017, she's at the top once again. Susan is engineering's distinguished graduate. The kindergarten teachers in Susan Fuget's elementary school likely had no idea that one of their students would grow up to become one of the leading medical research scientists in the world. By the time Alan Roost's daughter posed for a picture with her brother Keith and sister-in-law Sarah at her graduation from Mingo High School in Mingo Junction, Ohio, about 4 hours southeast of Toledo, signs that Susan was special were beginning to pop up. Susan brought her 90s big hair look to UT because of our great chemical engineering program, and she loved the beauty of campus. She also fell in love here. Nick Abu-Absi was a fellow chemical engineering student and Susan's lab partner. They hit it off right away but didn't become an item until the end of her sophomore year. They have been inseparable since, marrying in 1999 with both completing PhDs in chemical engineering from the University of Minnesota. He is Associate Director of Process Development at AbbVie, a biopharmaceutical company. By the time Alan was giving his daughter a kiss to congratulate her on earning her doctorate, a budding medical scientist was well on her way. A recipient of fellowships from the National Science Foundation and the National Institutes of Health while in the PhD program, Laura Abu-Absi's sister-in-law's thesis involved studying structural and functional dynamics during the assembly of engineered liver tissue. Bayer Drug recognized a superstar in the making and brought her family, which included new daughter Lena, to California. Bayer manufactures Cogenate, which is used to treat hemophilia. People with severe hemophilia produce very low levels of clotting factor and are dependent upon intravenous infusions to treat or prevent bleeding episodes. Intravenous infusions of plasma or factor VIII from human donors were the only treatment options until safer options like Cogenate were developed. It was our award winner who developed manufacturing processes using hamster cells that produced the human form of the factor VIII protein. In 2007, Bristol-Myers Squibb hired Susan, whose family now included son David, away from Bayer. She moved to New York and then Boston, again using animal cells to produce protein drugs. The woman who became Director of Manufacturing Sciences and Technology would, in 10 years, directly be involved in the launch of Opdivo, which is used to treat advanced stage lung cancer, New Logix, which is used to protect against kidney transplant rejection, Yervoy, a metastatic melanoma treatment, and Implicity, an immune-stimulating therapy to treat multiple myeloma, as well as supporting commercial manufacture of Orencia for rheumatoid arthritis. Earlier this year, Susan broke new ground, joining Bluebird Bio in Cambridge, Massachusetts as its Vice President of Process Development. Bluebird Bio is a clinical-stage gene therapy company developing technology to make up for genetic defects by creating a functioning copy of the genes that express proteins and correct or address the underlying cause of the disease. Their process genetically modifies a patient's own cells by adding a functional copy of the gene of interest. She is also directing the development of products for cancer immunotherapy. Here's the bottom line. Karen Green's roommate at UT is making an immeasurable impact on the health of millions of people throughout the world. Top of her class as a student, Dr. Susan Abu-Absi is on top in the medical research field. She's the College of Engineering's outstanding graduate in 2017.